Hi friends! Today we're going to be talking a lot about hundreds, tens, and ones. So during this video, I'm going to be asking some different questions and the video is going to pause and ask you. Then you'll answer it. A part of what I'm looking for today is the friends who answer the questions in the video correctly. So make sure that you're paying attention and when the video pauses, answer that question. The first question is, how many ones is in a 10? That's right. There's 10 ones in a 10. 1, 2, count with me, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My next question is how many tens is in 100? That's right. There are 10 tens in 100. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So 1 plus 9 ones is the same as 10 ones, which is the same as a group of 10. 1 10 plus 9 tens is the same as 10 tens, which is the same as 100. Nice work. Let's do some more problems to help our thinking. Now that we've established that, we can do some even trickier questions. 6 ones plus 4 ones is the same as 10 ones. Good, which is the same as 110. 6 tens plus 4 tens is, that's right, 10 tens, which is the same as 100. That means that 60 plus 40 is, good, 100. 7 ones plus 6 ones is, good, 13 ones. So 7 plus 6 is 13. 7 tens and 6 tens is 13 tens. Good. And 13 tens is the same as 130. Perfect. So that means that 70 plus 60 equals 130. Good. Nice work. Let's keep going. 10 tens is 100. So 11 tens is, good, 110. 16 tens is 160. Nice work. 19 tens is, good, 190. So 20 tens is 200. Perfect. On your Nearpod today, you're going to be playing a lot of fill-in-the-blank games that you have to remember that 10 tens is the same as 100. You might also have to switch some things around. So you might see 6 ones plus 5 ones equals blank tens, blank ones. Well, right away, I know that 6 and 4 makes 10, so that's 110, and then 1 left over, 1. You might also see something like 6 tens plus 7 tens is the same as 100, and 3 tens. So you're going to be having to do these grouping and bundling today so that you can get some questions right. Okay, have fun. Answer all the questions.